70 years of building cruisers yachts, and we've got a full lineup here and about 200 people participating in what we would consider the first of our kickoff this year of many more to come. You don't make 70 years in business if you don't have a great workforce and great partners. And so starting with our workforce, I mean, Cruisers Yachts is about 600 employees, and we have first, second, third, and fourth generation boat builders that put out this beautiful product for us. Dealer network from MarineMax, who we've married up with here over the last year, and our independent dealers. We couldn't do it without them, and it's been 70 years of great partnerships with them. And then go on to our vendors. What a group. You put all that together, and that's how you make 70 years in the boat business.